Sundermann Water Power is in the business of design, manufacture and sales of a micro-hydro turbine system. Hello, my name's Ed Gibson. I'm the Chairman of the Board for Sundermann Water Power. The problem to date is that all existing low-head turbine systems throughout the world are inefficient as such, whereby the water that hits the blade flows either past or around the blade, thus making them inefficient. Sundermann Water Power, through its innovative designs and its patents, have been able to capture a new design framework through its gearbox and blade systems that have allowed this problem to be solved. Fundamentally, what we've done is we've taken the design and been able to trap the water as the water approaches the blade. The unique design of the gearbox allows the blade on the upstroke to feather, and as it feathers, the water hitting the main blade or the engaged blade captures the maximum power. There's the innovation. The cowling that surrounds the turbine system obviously allows for the maximum water to be directed to the main engaged blade, thus allowing the power to be pushed through to the main shaft. By the design, we've allowed for a 90% increase in efficiencies to previous designs, which in itself is innovative. The coupled to the main shaft system is all the ancillary devices that the device will power. With this, we have generators, obviously, and more importantly, which we've identified in our market research, is the ability for the turbine to couple to a water pump system, whereby the turbine produces sufficient power in a low-head environment to pump water significant kilometres inland, thus providing for irrigation for farming and rural communities, which we feel is a great innovation. What we believe with the system as well is that it can be coupled to other machines. In other words, we can put the machines in parallel to create a bank of machines for increased power requirements given the desired needs by the various customers. So in other words, the small systems can be banked in line to create a multiple power device. The Sundermann turbine operationally creates an exponential power in slow-moving water from 2 metres per second. In other words, we don't need a great deal of current or water flow to get the power curve to start to increase. The Sundermann business viability has been supported by the markets identified in countries of high rainfall. In other words, Brazil, Argentina, Peru, Chile, New Guinea and many countries in Southeast Asia. The identified markets there require low-cost power and also applications for the farm environments. In other words, for pumping water, for irrigation and the needs and the likes of that. We also have identified many strategies also in the mining industries whereby low-cost power to support work sites, campsites, etc., and also the needs for mining companies to move water, be it for cleaning out different areas or for getting water from the currents up to the mine sites, etc. And that obviously is reducing significant costs for those companies as well. One of the other major things we've identified is the application for hybrid. We believe there's a strong link between the hybrid application with solar and wind and the water turbine situation, whereby the complete power solution can be provided for a complete environmental solution. The marketing strategy that our board has put together is basically that the device is portable, it's dependable, and it's reliable and it's cheap. And we believe that this itself will provide a great advent for our plug and power cliche that we've put to the device. So basically what we've seen is the device can come along and it's been designed to come along on a truck, off the truck, in the water, provide instant power and instant needs for communities. And most of the areas that we've spoken about earlier in the interview was the fact that these communities are remote, and by this device being a complete package requires little or no infrastructure around it to be installed. So we feel that is a great move forward in the turbine technology as well. The bottom line from Sundermann's point of view is that our turbine system will reduce the use of fossil fuels. Sustainability wise, that's the bottom line. Our device is no different to most other devices on the market today that we're out to reduce fossil fuels and provide for a greater green imprint for the world. That is where we're sitting. And in summary, we have a cost-effective global solution for the micro hydro market. It's reliable, it's free, and it's there.